So over here, you can see that I have a form, and let's say I want a space where the users, they'll be able to upload out their artwork. So in that case, I can go around and click on the plus button right here to add a question in between. And I'm going to go around over here, and on the option, I'm going to go around and select file upload right here. So it says let the respondents upload files to Drive right here. So you have to press continue because it'll access out your Google Drive and your Google Drive space will fill up. So here you can go around and select the number of file limit right here. So I'm just going to keep it 1 right here. And you can also enable it out to be specific file types right here. So let's say you want it to be drawings, PDF right here, images, and that's it. You don't want any other type of video, files right there. Then you can restrict that out. You can also choose the maximum file size right here. So let's say maximum will be 10 MB right here. You can also click on view folder right here, and it'll navigate around to your Google Drive folder where you have your responses folder and where the files will be collected. So I'm just going to go around, and over here, you can see that you can also make it required. And if I were to go to preview, you'll be able to see the add file option will be here. But if you want to be more specific, you need to add in the question. So let's say I'm going to say upload your artwork here. So I'm just going to go around right here and say that. And if I were to go to preview, you'll be able to see upload your artwork here option. So if I were to click on add file, you can see it opens up the upload option where the users will be able to access their drive right here, or they'll be able to select the upload option and select file from the device right here and select out a folder and select out any file that they wish and press open, and that file will be opened up. And it'll be restricted to the file type that you actually selected, and other file types that are not supported will be rejected. It won't be uploaded. And over here, you can see that they can upload the files right here. If you want multiple number of files to be uploaded, you can also select 5 right here. And then what users will be able to do is they'll be able to upload multiple files out. You can see that add file is now over here again. So they can select file from their device. They can upload out more files right here. And you can see add more files over here is another option over here as well. So let me just select this, press open, and what happens is that both of the files will be uploaded right here. And all of the files that are uploaded and submitted will be collected on to the Google Drive folder. So that is how you can add in the file upload option in your Google Forms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.